Oh, it's that time of the year again when Tractor Supplies put their clearance at 50% off. I can never tell. I can't remember if it's the same store. I don't think so. Yeah, no, it's not the same store. This was a different one. Last year I think it was at two stores. I don't know. This other store was at. It said it started at February 15th or something like that. And I kind of missed it. And luckily it was still on. Most of their stuff is gone, but not everything. The sign is like way in the back, so you don't even know that the clearance 50% off. I really hope the other stores go 50% off. And even the better thing is it was the clearance price was actually lower than this. I think I got this for $3 or $4. And the same for this. Well, this one would have been $4.50. I know this one was much lower. They look like pretty good sets. These are. It looks like they're. Yeah, they're Impact. Is this one Impact? No, these aren't Impact. I have so many of these damn sets. Let's see what the hell is in here. So this is the Crescent. I guess that's this new brand that they sell. Here's what's in there. How many Torques we got? Is that saying there's 6 T125s in there? Is that possible that there's 6 T25s? Wait a second. 6 1-inch T625s and 3 2-inch ones? Really? Oh shit, that does look like it's possible. I gotta open these up. That'd be cool if it had that many T25s. Yeah, let's rip this puppy open. Here's your. I don't know what Tractor Supply if these things mean anything. The UPC. How do we get this open with just our hands? How do we get this open with just our hands in sexual tension? Yeah, he said it. Yeah. Oh my god. Plastic is so strong. Doing this. Just get a knife. Just get a knife, dude. Oh my god. Oh. Sticker. Alright. Let's see. Oh man, I should have turned on the damn flashlight. Son of a bee. Okay, yeah, so these are T25s. Is there any way to turn the light on while you're still videotaping? Good Lord, why will this not? I hate the iPhone. It's the absolute worst. There we go. So that is a T25. That's cool. So it looks like we got That is true. We got 2 of those. We got something missing there? Let's see. Are these T25s? That's T20. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool set. Are these all T25s in here? God damn it, man. Yeah, these are all Impact T25s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there you go. I'm like not holding this. Why is this thing not where my hand usually is? Huh. That's pretty cool. Looks like I probably could have put more in here. All right, what do we got here? What is this random one? What's this random one hanging out? Another T25. Is an extra one? It was a 3-incher. Oh. Oh no, that's the 2-inch. Oh, I see. We got 2-inch, 1-inch, and then whatever these are. Yeah, let's not focus on that, huh? Piece of shit. All right. Are these sliding? It's just a rubber cover. Why is this not where my damn hands are? Okay. It's like a rubber cover or something. Okay. Is this a sliding one? Oh yeah, this is the sliding one. This is the one where you put your thing in and then you can slide and hold it in place. You know. That's cool. That's cool. That didn't auto lock. Oh, slides down like that. 38 piece. Case is a little huge. All right, then this one, non-impact. Porter and cable, 38. That's what we got in here. A bunch of T25s. And there's your UPC and your part number. And you can either the part over there or you know there. You know, tricky. All right. Rip that thing open like an asshole. What? There you go. So this one is, I got a see-through case. That's pretty cool. And then you get to see when the stuff falls out. What do you got? Oh, a clamper damper. Almost broke it taking it off. Yeah. Cool. Alright. So you get yourself an extension, and then it's already got a bit in it. These square bits. Why in the hell is this thing off of what I'm looking at? What the hell uses these stupid square bits? And why the hell would you put it in there? Okay, so this is just magnetic. Okay. And it looks like you got more squares. Then what's this? A T22 T25s? China T25s. Okay. These are just your normal Phillips. P2. What the frick is going on? Every time I go look in the camera, I'm looking off to the left. It's a P2 China. Is this one P2 also? Yeah. Are these all P2s? Why would you all do that? Why the Phillips all P2, is that right? One-inch P1, PH1. Is this the 1 inches? What are these two? F1, P1. What the hell's the difference? Got me. Got me, bros. So these are the other ones. Alright, you got your square. Alright. So this set is a piece of crap compared to the other one, obviously. Total piece of crap. But, you know, bits are bits, you know. You have a ton of room in here to throw other bits. What are these just... You could slide them around. Huh. Configurable. Slide them around. Alright. Whatever. Alright, so this would be the apex one, you know? Does it have those stupid squares? No, it doesn't have those square bits. There's that one right there. Oh, it does have 3 of them. Whoopie doodle. I don't even know what those are for. Alright. 12 minutes on. Should have just used the scissors and cut 2 minutes on it. Alright.